Thanks for joining me. We need to go ahead and baste some 1-inch hexes with our favorite fabrics, of course, and then we'll go ahead and sew those together in the shape of a window. Now we need to make a pattern for our pieces that will go inside. This is a cereal box, and I'm just tracing with a pencil. I outline again with marker, and then I do about a 1/2 inch outside of those lines. Cut it out, and then place it on your fabric, trace around it, cut out your fabric, press it, press your hexagons, turn it over, clip the threads so that you can remove the papers. Once the papers are removed, you will press it again. I do like to mist mine with a little bit of water before I press it. I feel like it really helps it hold its shape really well. And since you've clipped some of the threads, you want to make sure of that. Okay, place the window on top of your print fabric. Put in a pin or two so that you can turn it over and make sure that you have enough fabric around the edges for your seam allowance. I like to sew these on the machine with about 1/8 of an inch seam allowance from the edge of the hexagon. Continue sewing and pivoting at each corner with the needle down in the fabric so that it holds its place. And then when you get to the very beginning, go ahead and back stitch to secure it. Now I'm ready to use my window appliques in a very fun sewing project where I will machine stitch around the edge of the hexagons. There's Ollie trying to be in the center of everything. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Happy sewing!